Get over here. So, here's our waterfall. That's right, this is the what?
Promise TV.
It's raining pretty hard. It's not actually raining hard, it's just that the waterfall looks really good. Oh, stay right there. So, it's raining. It's been raining since like 10 o'clock.
Mommy, you said if I want to play.
No, it's lightning. You can't play. You can't play when it's lightning outside. Here goes my garden. Dead now.
Oh, your garden's not dead yet. Look it. Your pink flowers.
It's gonna be dead, all that water on it. Go.
Ow!
What do you mean, ow?
Ow. He said, ow.
He's pushing me in. You want me to go inside?
Wait, Mommy, just...
Bye, Hossie.
Mommy, just one wet for me. I just want to get one wet.
No, go. It's lightning. You can't.
Oh, because you'll get lightning on you?
Yeah, because lightning strikes you and then it hits you and you're cut in half and you're dead.
Oh, then you're going to go to the doctor?
No, when you're dead, you don't come back alive. You just die.
Okay.
So, that's what lightning does. So that's why you can't go outside.
Okay. Hey, Mommy.
What?
I've been waiting for this moment. My slushy.
You're not getting no slushy until you do your room.